Friends, welcome to our channel Maniman Creations. Now we are seeing the how to play Free Fire at the first time. Let's start. If you want to log in the guest or Facebook or Google account, this is our Google account. I have logged in. So tap to begin. Tap on the screen. After this, start. It will start the Free Fire. It is nice and so super game. And you want to click wrong. After this, you want to select this. You didn't get the ranked or clash card ranked. After we will start the game. Now we will start. Let's start. It is our waiting room. First we will start. It will come this like only. And it is our timing. Now it will start 0. It will start now. Let's play the Free Fire. If you are the first, please see this video and like, share, subscribe. And we are playing the Kalari. And it is our eject button. If you will press this, you will die from the air and go to down of the land. And this is our accelerator. You can move this leg on the screen. And it is our dive button, and it is our open parachute. If you will click on this, it will open. And there is a fist, means you can fight with hand also. And it is our nice and supersonic game. So many members like Free Fire, but some members don't know how to play Free Fire. So this is our video to how to play Free Fire. Please learn how to play Free Fire. And this is a famous. See, if you will go to the 9th or 13th level, you can play in the ranked, and you will play the and see, if you will jump down, your power will go. And it is our power 200 by 200 is there here. This see, it is our power. See, it is our power 200 by 200. If your power will go, you can take medkit. The medkit button is this place. I think you understand. In map we can see the red mark indicator. That is the enemy place. Enemy was releasing. See, there is a enemy. He was there, going there. It is our zip line. See, one member was shooting and it is our bullet releasing button. It is our bullet releasing button, and he was died. Some member has killed him, and it is our car. If you want to drive car, please click on drive. Click on drive. You can shoot the car and our car will blast. See, if you will go this like, and if you will show to enemy, it is our the bullet button is it is a button. I have tell you, the bullet button releases the bullets, and we have again one enemy here, and we can see the kills in there. Alive 40 and killed 1. Now we will see. Oh no, one enemy has been killing me. I have killed 2 kills, and here is also one enemy. We will kill him also. This is a nice gun, MP40. Please take this MP40. It releases fast bullets. And this SMG ammo was bullets for MP40. You can click on the MP40 gun. If your bullets will reload, means your magazine will reload again. And your power is gone. You can press on medkit, the plus button. I have five medkits. You find medkits anywhere, and guns also. Samsung guns will release the bullets so slowly, like famous. MP5 also a nice gun. Take this gun also. I have MP40 and SKS. These two are so nice guns. I have came first to this area when I have dived from there. So I will go to the back. See, I will show you and no, we will go to here. It is a jumping button. It is our jumping button. See, here one man is and it is our running button. If you click this, you can run so fast. See, one enemy has came. You can click on MP40, your bullets will reload, and you want to kill the enemy fast. Not means the enemy will kill you, so kill fast. And there also one enemy. See, in the map there is a red mark. Oh no, he was killing me, so I will also kill him. Kill. Okay, he has 5 kills. We have got the G18 and all guns. If you click here, arrow mark, you get the glue walls, and glue wall means I will show. I didn't get the glue wall now. And in this we can get granite, means bomb. See, here also one enemy. Kill him. We have killed. We have 6 kills now. It's a great. It is a nice and so easy game. So please download Free Fire and like my videos. And now I will take medkit. You will click on medkit, you get the power. I think you have understand the Free Fire. It is a nice game. See, here also one medkit. I will take this medkit also. Oh no, there are 2 enemies. I have sword now. And this white color was coming now. It is the zone. If you will go into the zone, you will die compulsory. Headshot. If you will release the button on head, it is mean by headshot. Don't go to near the red tank. If any enemy has releases the bullet near red tank, you will die compulsory, I will tell. So be careful when going near the red tank. And here, so fast, go down, go down, go down. If the zone will come, we will die compulsory, permanent, I will tell. You want to kill the enemy fast. And here there are so many enemies. Some enemies will confuse you and they will kill you. See, we have killed him. And in this there are danger. This danger place. So go to safe place. Here there are so many enemies and the danger zone will release the bombs from up, and one enemy was, and it is the scope button. Please keep on the head and headshot. I have told you. Waiting room. And one enemy has killed me. And we will go to back. Tata, bye bye. See you in the next video.